Welcome to the I-Pi studio. My name is Tomasz and today we will show you how to install Windows on ARM. Windows has traditionally run on machines that are powered by x86 processors, but more recently also runs on devices powered by ARM processors. As we know, ARM processors offer a very good power efficiency and performance. Windows 10 IoT enables existing unmodified x86 apps to run on ARM devices, and today we will show you how to install Windows 10 IoT on I-Pi SMARC IMX8M Plus development kit, which is powered by NXP i.MX8M Plus SoC. So let me introduce to you my colleague Joey, who will show us how to do it.
Hi, I'm Joey and today I will guide you through the process of installing Windows IoT on the i.MX8M platform. For this, first you need an SD card to install Windows on. Next we'll need to install Windows on that SD card. If everything has gone right, you should now be presented with the out-of-box experience in Windows. In here you can select your region, your language, and all other kind of settings that you need for Windows to work. If you've gone through the entire out-of-box experience, you will now be presented by the Windows desktop. I hope you found this guide useful, and thank you for watching.
Yeah, thank you for joining us today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like us, subscribe to our channel, and you can find some useful links in the description below the video. Thanks again. Bye-bye.
Bye.